Unboxing RESIONE's Resin 3D Printing Cleaning Kit. Liner gloves. Used as lining so the nitrile rubber gloves won't stick to sweaty hands. Nitrile rubber gloves. Thick elastic material resists tearing. Easy to slip on and off, extending nitrile gloves' service life. Durable against cleaning solutions to prevent leaks. Suitable for detailed tasks like cleaning miniatures. Plastic scraper. Assists with films application and scraping resins and impurity from build plate and film. Gentle design, practical and safe for 3D printer components. Paper funnel. Optimized mesh size ensures efficient and fast filtering. Contains no de-yellowing agents or other components that may dissolve and leach into the resin during filtration, ensuring no contamination, especially important for clear resins. Cleaning cloth. Lint-free and tear-resistant. Quick absorption and better cleaning. Gentle on film. Carefully selected by RESIONE, lasts approximately 30 days per kit.